Okay, everybody, I just wanted to show you how to use Windows built-in tools to extract files from a zip file. So here we have a zip file that we're actually using in week 2 of the course here. Normally you might be tempted to double click on a file to open it, and that will work fine, except that for this class it's not going to work for a lot of different GIS data types. So instead, when we access a zip file here, we want to, even in Windows, we want to right click on it and click Extract All. It's the same process in Windows 7. If you click Extract All, it'll ask where you want to extract them to. Find a suitable location for those files. You might have to make a new one like I'm doing here. And then we would hit OK and hit extract, and it'll actually show us the files that are contained in that zip file. If you don't do it this way, if instead you double click here and then try to open the file from here, it will work fine as long as you're not dealing with ArcGIS. ArcGIS will not be able to open these files and use them appropriately, because a zip file is an archive. It's actually like a file folder that you, or a box that you put everything into and seal shut so that you can send it in the mail, right? There might be 30 things in that box, or 5, or in this case 1, but the box keeps it all together as one. Same thing here, except the digital version of that. A zip file is like, a .zip file is like a box that you put a bunch of files into, but the computer thinks it's just one file. It makes it easier to download or ship it around over computer networks, and that's a very common file format that you should know how to handle. There are other ways of dealing with zip files. There are also other types of compressed archive files. That's what a zip file is technically called. And for that reason, I would advocate using 7-zip. It is a free and open source archiving software. It allows you to make these things, but also to open them. If you have 7-zip or decide to install it, I have another tutorial for how to use that to extract zip files. Check it out on Integrity or YouTube.